ever thought you'd see an over like that here with county? He said with the fuel in the front now, yes, it's fuel station. All right, so what do you think, Ed, a reverser problem or something? Looking like the man. Keep voting right.